BSIPR and legal advisors. Startup India has been such a welcome initiative from the Government of India to foster startups in the country. It feels great to witness the different kinds of initiatives and programs being launched by the Startup India team. Freshworks is happy and proud to be supporting several startups that are part of the Startup India initiative with free product credits, resources, and mentorship. We really wish Startup India to continue their amazing work and help build the next generation of amazing entrepreneurs from India. Partnered services. Startup India has partnered with various corporates and organizations to provide free services for your startup and help you accelerate your growth. These services are divided into various categories such as management enterprise, cloud credits, and more. Pro bono services help accelerate your growth free of cost. Government is providing various benefit to startup company and MSME sector. Register yourself under Startup India and avail various benefits. Worth 5 lakh rupees absolutely free. Now first category. Management and enterprise software. Make use of SaaS solutions to automate organizational processes such as sales and marketing and enhance productivity levels. Like 1. MI Client is client management software, which helps small and medium businesses to manage their complete client interaction at one place. Second, Truecaller. Startups can build for multiple use cases across their product stages and user funnel. Third, Zoho gives you one suite of applications to run your entire business. 4. Freshworks provides organizations of all sizes with SaaS customer engagement solutions that make it easy for support, sales, and marketing. 5. Netcore is a digital communications platform for B2C companies. Now second category. Cloud services. Get credits for hosting your website and managing your business phone systems on the cloud. 1. MyOperator is a cloud-based call management system. 2. CallerDesk is a cloud telephony company providing ready-to-use voice communication platform. 3. Exitel is one Asia's largest cloud telephony platforms. 4. DigitalOcean is simplest cloud platform for developers and teams. 5. Amazon Web Services is cloud hosting platform for developers. Now third category. Financial services. Use convenient banking and fintech services for starting up and running your business. 1. Jimbooks is a cloud-based bookkeeping and accounting software. 2. Payu is India's leading payment gateway empowering 350,000 businesses. 3. Intuit QuickBooks is a cloud-based financial management and accounting software designed for entrepreneurs. 4. RBL Bank is one of India's fastest growing private sector banks, which offers specialized services under 6 business. Now fourth category. Banking services. Make use of various tools and applications to scale up your business. 1. Pitch Deck is an intuitive, all-in-all presentation building platform exclusively for startups. 2. Here, the open location platform company enables people, enterprises, and cities to harness the power of location. Now fifth category. Legal support. Receive legal advice for your startup including company incorporation, structuring, and compliances. Now the important information. Every month some new free services has been added or removed, so now this is now a never situation for us to grab the opportunity. Benefits you are getting is more than 5 lakh rupees access to various funding and loan schemes. You can submit to Startup India. You can register for GEM portal of government. Tax exemption for 3 years only if unique and problem-solving idea. 50% subsidy in trademark application. Easy loan facility for women. Online course for startup how to grow your business. Idea Bank. Brainstorm innovative idea for the listed problem statement on the website. Learning and development programs, networking opportunities, hosting and joint programs, capacity building platform, innovation program and challenges. State startup policies, government schemes. Fund of Fund for Startups means that the government participates in the capital of SEBI-registered venture funds who invest twice the amount in startups. Self-certification under labor and environment laws. Programs and initiative. Apply for acceleration, mentorship programs and other challenges across the globe. 50% subsidy in trademark and patent application. Priority to government tender and procurement scheme. Eligibility criteria. 1. Private limited liability partnership. 2. Registered partnership entity. 3. Business should be not older than 10 years. What documents are required? 1. Certificate of Incorporation of PVT. LLP MOA and AOA. 2. All director details video link. If any. Logo. If any. 3. Website address. If you don't have website, then business plan required. 4. PAN card of the company, firm. What information are required? Answer the below question in 50 words. 1. Elaborate your business. 2. What is the problem the startup is solving? 3. How does your startup propose to solve this problem? 4. What is the uniqueness of your business? 5. How does your startup generate revenue? 6. Innovative idea, improvement, scalability of product or services. Answer the below question. 1. Is your startup is at idea stage? 2. Got fund or recognized? 3. Applied for trademark patent? 4. Applied for ISO? 5. Applied for MSME? 6. Number of employees. Thanks for watching.